Ever wonder why you pay thousands of dollars on your credit card debt, but the balance never goes down? I'll show you why and what to do about it. Hi, I'm Carl, your CAT financial advisor. Today we're looking at credit card debt and why it seems impossible to pay off. Everyone knows that credit cards charge high interest rates, but do you know what that really means in dollars and cents? Let's say you have $20,000 in credit card debt at a 25% interest rate.
You're paying $600 a month or $7,200 a year, but the interest is growing by $5,000 a year. So your balance is only going down by $2,200. It will take 42 years to pay off the full balance. But don't worry, there are ways to climb out of this mess. And it's easier than you might think.
The first option is simply to pay a bit more money each month, and it doesn't have to be a lot.
Increasing your monthly payment by just $100 to $700 a month will get the debt paid off in under 4 years. The trick is to keep paying $700 each month, even if your minimum payment goes down.
That simple change saves you $34,000 in interest, just from $100 extra a month. So think about some ways to find an extra $100 a month. It's not that hard when you look at the big picture. If you increase it by $200, you can have the whole debt paid off in 3 years. Now we're talking. I'll add a link in the description to a free online calculator where you can add in your balance, interest rate, and payment to see your exact savings.
A better option to get rid of the debt is to take out a consolidation loan. But this really only works if you have good credit.
You basically take out a personal loan at a lower interest rate and pay off all of your credit cards at once. If you have good credit, you could get a rate under 10%, but even fair credit could land you a 15% rate. That is still a significant saving compared to 25%. It makes your money work for you. If you are a homeowner, you can use your equity for a secured loan at a lower rate, but I'm not a fan of putting your house at risk.
Some companies offer consolidation loans at higher interest rates if you have poor credit, but if the rate is the same as your credit card, there is no benefit. Let's look at some numbers. With a 10% consolidation loan, you could pay off the whole balance in 4 years at $500 a month. That's $100 less than your current minimum payment. Or pay it off in 3 years at $650 a month. At 15%, you would pay about $50 more per month, $550 over 4 years or $700 over 3.
Most banks will insist that you close all of your credit card accounts once they are paid off, and you should. Even if they don't make that a loan condition, you should do it anyhow to resist the urge to run the balance back up. Remember, you haven't eliminated the debt yet, you've just moved it to another loan, which still has to be paid off.
You can keep one credit card with a very low limit, maybe $1,000 just for emergencies.
But you must pay off the balance on that card every single month, no exceptions. That's the perfect finance way. The key with a consolidation loan is to make it as simple as possible. You will have one monthly loan payment instead of several. Arrange to have it automatically taken out of your bank account shortly after your payday. Automation is your best friend. If you pay rent at the end of the month, maybe schedule this for the middle of the month to improve cash flow. I recommend a 3-year payoff if you can afford the monthly payments. It's short enough that the end is in sight. I did this myself in a previous life when I had a bunch of credit card debt. Best decision I ever made. Unlike bankruptcy, these options take care of your debt without destroying your credit and help you build better habits. If you are really having problems, consider talking to a nonprofit credit counselor who can negotiate on your behalf. So, don't stress about your credit card debt any longer. Once you decide to pay it off and stop new purchases, options open up. You've got this. Just pick the one that works for you. Every journey starts with a single step or a single payment. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I read every single one. Stay positive. That's the perfect finance way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.